Hello, we're just going to show you a little video on doing an Easter egg, but with, it's like a little Easter egg nature hunt. So we've just got a big piece of cardboard, you can have it smaller if you want.
And we got the other side for the front.
Yeah, so it was just a box and I cut it out for the boys because it's a bit tricky. And then we're just going to draw some patterns on. So I'm just going to do it on the other side so the boys can copy me and you'll be watching them. 2 seconds. Okay, they're going to start off by drawing some lines at the top.
You can use pen, pencils, crayons, or anything. Well, if it's white, we can do anything. So on the nature hunt, we'll be finding like dandelions, some leaves, some flowers.
So you're going to draw your lines now. Okay, so we're going to draw some nice lines, Samuel. Do you want me to help you?
Straight.
Yeah.
Wait, that one's curly.
Yep, so shall I help you?
I can do any.
Go on then. Draw a line on the top. There we are. So Joseph, as you can see, is doing a straight line. He's doing a wiggly line. It can be anything you want.
I'm going to do...
Lovely.
Wiggly.
That's it. Can you do a zigzag one?
Ooh.
Wow, Joseph. So I'm just going to pause it while the boys carry on and we'll have a look at it in a second.
Do you want to see it?
Not yet. Keep going.
Okay, so we are doing like different things. We can do like flowers, stars, or anything you want. You can even do hard stuff. So like try to draw bunnies. That's really hard. I'm just trying to draw stars right now.
Okay.
Okay, we have finished our drawings.
Yeah, so decorated
this is mine. And this is mine. Mine is...
Right, so the next part we have to put the holes in because we're going to go on our nature hunt. So I've just got a skewer. So we're just going to go on a little walk and see whether we can find some pretty flowers. And then we're going to stick them in. So pop in a couple of holes in. Obviously adults will need to do this bit.
Because children...
Because it's very sharp. Isn't it? You just choose where you put your holes. It doesn't really matter.
Samuel's going to have loads of holes in it.
Yeah, so there's lots of holes. You can just pop them around. So we'll show you the finished result in a minute. So say bye.
Bye.
You show everybody?
We found loads near our house.
We'll see if we can
find this one. I'm not going to put them all in.